Bienvenidos a Hermana y Soy Raquel. Hey guys, welcome to Sister Versus 6. I'm Raquel.
I'm rae'lin.
Today, we're going to be comparing blizzards with blizzards. So, right here, we have a blizzard.
Where's the blizzard from?
Very
Y'all know that song? How does the song go in the commercial? DQ. That's what I... No? Y'all never heard that? That's what I about. Okay, sorry.
And then, from Sonic, we have a blast. So, I have M&M.
And I got Oreo.
So yeah, we're gonna be comparing of which one's better, how much they cost, and yeah, pretty much.
Awesome. Well, I went and got them for you girls, and I'll tell you the price. So Sonic was a little bit more. It was like $3 and maybe 18 cents around there, give or take. It looks like, which one looks bigger? Probably a Sonic. Look, you get a little bit more. Dairy Queen's was at about almost like $2.50, maybe $2.59 to be exact. A little smaller. I would definitely say getting them home, the DQ Dairy Queen lasted a lot longer as far as it melting. I did go the Sonic first. I probably should have went to DQ. And they also flipped it upside down too.
Oh yeah, to make sure.
Make sure it did. I wouldn't do that right now because it's been but right out of the store, they flipped it upside down and it did not fall out at all. And rae'lin, what flavors you got?
I got Oreo.
Oreo girl.
Best.
Oreo's the best? Okay. Well, I think best in Texas. Okay. Well, who's first?
I'll go.
Yeah, she can go. So, yeah.
I'm gonna try the Oreo. I mean the.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this one has a lot more. So the Sonic, they put a lot more M&M.
What flavor is that you're eating again?
M&M.
M&M. Okay.
So it has a lot of colors. Let's see. That is good. But it is melty on the top. But yeah, it is very good.
And it's melty because it took so. Are you going to eat the other one and tell which one you think is better? Because you're comparing the two?
Let me see. Okay. So, the Dairy Queen is very good and has all the M&Ms like in the ice cream instead of on top. So, if I had to pick between one, I would say Dairy Queen.
Okay.
So you like the Dairy Queen one better than Sonic?
Yes.
Tastes a little bit. Okay.
It is good. Your turn?
Okay. Now, I'm going to be trying the blast first.
Okay. So, she's going to try the blast. So, we're going to see which one's better for her.
Yeah, that is the blast. I always get them confused. Blast,
Same.
blizzard.
Okay.
So, it's very melty. Let's see.
Well, it's melty because it, says, I had to get it home.
It is good. But here's the thing. The Oreos are big. They need to chop it up a little bit smaller.
See, maybe this one has a lot of, this one has a lot more
Small
crumbs.
pieces.
Yeah, small pieces in it.
I have to mix it up, mix. Now I'm gonna try the dip. See how good it is. Whoa. Gotta say, this one's way better because all the small Oreos and chocolate pieces.
They do have a lot more.
Yep, they're very good. See, it kind of tastes good, this one, but it's just not. I had to mix and stab it with a spoon like that.
So, if I were to ask you, which I am, which one do you think is the best?
For me?
Yes.
Oh, wow. I was not expecting that question, but for me, you know what? I think, I'm not an M&M or Oreo guy. I personally like anything with peanut butter and banana. And peanut butter banana is my favorite. That's my favorite smoothie ice cream. Yes. I think when I've had them in the past, I think I like Dairy Queens. Well, you know what? I'm going to go with Sonic's peanut butter banana shake or blast. I think I'll go with Sonic. But you know what? My memory's not like that great because I'm kind of older now. So I think I might do my own challenge and I'll probably get 2 from each one and really like kind of do what you girls are doing. But for right now, I think I'm going to go with Sonic as far as the peanut butter banana blast for me.
Okay.
That's a smart idea and question.
Yeah. I love M&M. I have ese es muy delicioso.
Dairy Queen es muy delicioso. También.
Es más. Y también tiene mucho chocolate en él, pero también es bien líquido. Tiene eso, pero está bien. Es muy delicioso.
El Oreo es muy líquido, pero es good. I love Oreo. It's the best.
Awesome. All right, so I think we'll end it there, girls. I think right now Blizzard is winning, and I think the kiddos at home is going to appreciate that as they make their decision on if they want a blast or a Blizzard.
So, before you go, make sure to subscribe to my
Awesome. All right, see y'all tomorrow for our next video challenge.
Bye.
Adios.
Bye.